If you want to verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console quickly and correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to connect your domain, complete verification, and make sure Google recognizes you as the verified owner. This is an important step for SEO, indexing, and overall website management, because once your domain is verified, you can monitor search performance, submit sitemaps, and improve how your site appears in Google search results. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Google Search Console dashboard and log in with your primary Google account. Make sure you're using the account you want associated with your website, because this is the account that will manage your property inside Search Console. Once you're signed in, look for the option to add a new property. This is where you tell Google which website you want to verify. Click Add Property to begin. Now you'll see a choice between different property types, and for this method, you want to use the domain option. Under the domain box, type your root domain exactly as it appears in GoDaddy. For example, if your website is yoursite.com, type only that. Do not add HTTP, do not add HTTPS, and do not include www. This part is very important because Google needs the clean root domain to verify ownership properly across all versions of the site. After entering your domain, click Continue. Next, a pop-up box will appear with instructions for verification. In that window, click the Start Verification button. This begins the process of connecting Google Search Console with your GoDaddy account. A secure pop-up window will then redirect you to GoDaddy. If you are not already signed in, GoDaddy may ask you to log into your account first. Use the account that manages the domain you want to verify. Once you're in, you should see a permission screen. Here, click the green Connect or Authorize button. This grants Google access to verify your site settings automatically through GoDaddy. It's the key step that allows the ownership check to happen without manually changing DNS records. After you authorize access, wait a few moments. The system will process the request and then redirect you back to Google Search Console. When everything goes through correctly, you'll see a green Ownership Verified confirmation box. That means your GoDaddy domain has been successfully verified in Google Search Console. At this point, you can close the window and start using Search Console tools like performance reports, indexing, and sitemap submission. If you don't see the verification confirmation right away, give it a moment and double-check that you logged into the correct GoDaddy account and entered the domain correctly without any prefixes. Those two details are the most common places people get stuck. And that's it. You've now verified your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console, the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.